Previously, yes, we have had organizations come in to talk about STEM, and most of the discussion we have had or engagement that we have had are basically theoretical. They come to enlighten them on careers in STEM and stuff like that. So we've not actually had practical sessions as much as we have now. These girls that have been trained today, about 50 of them, we have the opportunity to cascade this same training to others around the school.
Today we visited Queen Amina College in Kaduna State, and we had an amazing time teaching the young girls about STEM, the possibilities and the career opportunities that avail them in STEM.
I heard about She Code Africa in my school when they came for an outreach to teach us about STEM. I decided to become a neurologist when I was 10 after reading a book by Ben Carson.
I want to become a doctor in the future. Because of this team, I learned what I'm going to follow the subjects that I'm going to offer to help me to achieve my goals.
It was such an exciting opportunity to see many of these young girls who were eager to learn, to know more about STEM.
Moving forward, I want to see how this will translate into implementation at the school level, at NGO level. So we are calling on partners like She Code Africa to come in and do more. There's more to be done in schools like Queen Amina College, where you have over 3,000 students. 50 is just a fraction of them, and I'm sure that this is a starting point, and of course we can always improve in this activity.
In today's workshop, I was able to teach the kids how to use Scratch, the interfaces of Scratch, how to use motion, how to use look, sound, and all. So they were able to create games using Scratch. So seeing them at first, I was thinking they would not be able to do it. But after some time, they were able to beat my expectation, and they did well. They did extremely well.
When the She Code Africa organization introduced themselves to the school and asked for permission and a chance to come and have a sensitization talk with the student, I was just thinking it's just like other activities for them to gather the students, lecture them, and let them know about menstrual hygiene, ICT, and everything that will benefit the girl child. But after the sensitization code and when the actual the training begins, I realized that it is much more than just an sensitization and letting the student know things, but it's more of practical activities that concern ICT, which is of paramount importance to the education activities and development of the girls in the school.
Today is workshop day 2, and actually the students are being taught how to develop a robotic car. Presently we're on it, and it's going to be very interesting to see that at the end of the day, this car moves, from one position to the next.
So put that in mind, this is not the end of it. You are going to continue with the program because the organizers will leave us everything that we can continue learning with it. So please, once more, appreciate the organizers by clapping for them.
From Ogun, Lagos, Delta, Abia, Rivers, Abuja, Ife, and now Kaduna State, we have come to the end of the STEM Girl campaign 2024-2025. And if there is anything we have learned from this journey, is that a dream delayed is not a dream denied. We have multiple testimonials and success stories of young girls who were able to get in touch with STEM and with tech as a result of our visit to their schools. And we are thrilled and elated to have been part of their journey and part of the first steps that they are taking towards their STEM careers. And if there's anything we've learned from this journey, it is that a dream delayed is not a dream denied. Across the locations that we visited, we have been able to impact over 3,000 girls and establish 5 STEM clubs across schools in different regions of the country. And we would love to appreciate everyone who has been a part of this journey with us, starting with our sponsors, Women Win. Thank you for making this possible. To all of our volunteers across different locations, SCA chapter leads, and to all the schools and the principals who opened their doors to us. We'd love to say thank you for making this possible. And to the She Code Africa team who have been working tirelessly behind the scenes and at the forefront. You are amazing. Thank you for making this a reality and a possibility.